Hello everybody, please forgive me, I'm still new on these tech videos. So, hi everyone, please forgive me, I'm still new on these tech videos. But I want to do an unboxing of the Magegee keyboard that I got a while ago. I haven't done an unboxing yet. So, I don't remember ordering purple, but I guess I did. So, yeah. Here's what it looks like. Kind of quiet. When I go to use it, I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But here it is. It is purple and white. The buttons sound kind of quiet. I'll test it out here in a little bit. And then I'll let you guys know what I think. Sorry, you probably could all hear my computer because you were sitting on my computer. But here's the keyboard. Here is the box. It is the T591. T591. I'm hoping it's the actual Magegee, but yeah. So there's a batch number. I don't know if that matters. But yeah, so that is the keyboard. And I will test it out and let you guys know if it's even worth it. So, sorry this was super short. Oh, I found it on, of all places I know, so it's probably not real Temu. Just so y'all know. I figured I'd try tech stuff off Temu, see how legit it is. So this is where this is from. So it might not work. But luckily it wasn't too expensive. So that's a good thing. So I will test it out and let you guys know what I think in another video. So see you guys later. Bye.